Thank you so much for joining Dr. Jae Francis YouTube channel. Are you applying for marriage green card in 2025? Be careful. One small mistake could lead to a denial. USCIS is rejecting more applications than ever, and many of these denials are preventable. In this video, I will walk you through the top 5 mistakes we see and how to avoid them based on real cases that we handle here at Francis Law Center. Hi, I'm attorney Jae Francis. I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer based in Chicago and Wisconsin, but serve all 50 states. Mistake number one, weak evidence of bona fide marriage. Number one reason marriage-based green card applications are denied is weak or insufficient evidence of real marriage. USCIS officers are trained to spot red flags, many of them, like minimal joint documents, separate living arrangements, or short relationships with very little shared history. So, what should you submit? Think beyond wedding photos. You need a strong, consistent documents showing your lives are truly intertwined. This includes joint bank accounts, share lease or mortgage, insurance policies listing each other as the beneficiaries, trip itineraries together, and written statements from the friends and family who know you as a couple. If you live apart temporarily, explain the reason clearly with documentation. Mistake number 2, inconsistent or incorrect answers on forms and interview. Even honest couple may hurt their case with inconsistent information. USCIS will carefully compare your I-130, 130A, and I-45 and other forms with what you say during your green card interview. If the dates don't match, like your wedding date, address history, or how you met, it raises suspicion, high-level suspicion. Take time to review all USCIS forms before submitting them to USCIS, and prepare for interview by going over key facts. At our office, we conduct mock interviews with our clients to help them feel confident and aligned in their answers. It is not about memorizing responses, but it's about being accurate, consistent, and also be honest. Mistake number 3, submitting the wrong forms or filling incomplete applications. USCIS routinely denies marriage green card applications that are missing required forms, signatures, or supporting documents. This might seem like a basic issue, but with so many forms involved, namely I-130, 45, 864, 693, and others, mistakes happen easily, especially when couples try to file on their own or use unreliable preparers like notarios or notaries. We've seen cases where applicants forgot to include the medical exam or use outdated form version or incorrect filing fees. But incorrect filing fees usually result in rejection, but using outdated form sometimes result in denial, not just rejection. Others didn't meet 864 affidavit of support requirements and didn't include a joint sponsor and joint sponsor form and documents. These technical errors can delay and sink your case entirely. Double check everything. I'm going to repeat one more time. Double check, triple check everything. Better yet, work with experienced immigration attorney who can ensure you and your packet is complete and compliant. Mistake number 4, overlooking immigration violations or past history. Another common reason for denial is failing to disclose prior immigration violations or criminal history. If the intending immigrant entered the U.S. without inspection multiple times, committed a visa fraud, or has a previous deportation order, that information must be addressed with a proper legal strategy. Sometimes you don't know whether you committed visa fraud or entered the U.S. multiple times without inspection, or sometimes you don't even know whether you have removal order on you. Regardless, omitting this kind of history doesn't make it go away. It often leads to denial or even referral to removal proceeding. Remember, under Trump, USCIS will likely refer you to immigration court if they deny your 45 application. Depending on situation, I-601 waiver or well-prepared response to notice of intent to deny may be required. It means that you may have a second chance, but it'll be very challenging. If you're unsure whether your past might trigger inadmissibility, consult knowledgeable immigration attorney before filing anything. It's better to plan ahead than try to fix a denial later. Denial later. Challenging situation. Mistake number 5, not preparing for marriage interview. The marriage green card interview is not just formality, it's the moment when USCIS evaluates whether your relationship is genuine. Officers ask detailed questions about your daily life, relationship history, family members, living situation, and even how you spend holidays or who cooks dinner. Going in unprepared, nervous, or giving vague answers can lead to suspicion, a second interview, or even worse, a denial. At Francis Law Center, we guide our clients, our couple clients, through realistic mock interviews so that they know what to expect and how to answer honestly and confidently. The key is to communicate clearly, stay calm, and show that you truly know each other. Number 6, final thoughts on how to protect your case. Applying for marriage-based green card is one of the most common immigration pathway, but it's also one of the most closely scrutinized by USCIS. USCIS officers are trained to detect fraud, inconsistencies, and missing information. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes, weak relationship evidence, inconsistent answers, filing errors, overlooked immigration history, and poor interview preparation, you give your case the best possible chance of approval. If you're considering filing for marriage green card case, we would be honored to help you. At Francis Law Center, we help hundreds of couples navigate the process successfully, even in complex situations involving unlawful entry or past visa issues. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below if you have any question about your case. Also, you can visit our website, francislawcenter.com, to schedule a consultation or you can call us to schedule consultation. Thank you for watching. Peace be with you.